welcome back to the channel. I hope you're all doing well. Today we're going on another hike and one of the trails up in Griffith Park, so let's head on over. The Griffith Observatory. In the distance over there, it's the Hollywood sign. It ain't that big. We'll have to come back to the observatory to fully explore it. Not on today's hike. Made a little pit stop again at the observatory to watch a little theater in an air-conditioned room, so we're gonna head back down now to start. 5.3 miles total. Alright friends, we made it down safely. 5.3 miles total on our hike today to the Griffith Park, up to Captain's Roost and down, with a pit stop to the observatory in between. Thank you so much for joining me. I hope you had a really good time seeing the amazing views. Special thanks to my friend Hannah for joining me on this hike. And yeah, we'll leave it at that. I hope you liked this video. Do give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet, as I'll definitely have more adventures just like this next time. I hope you're all doing well. Let me know in the comments down below. See you guys next time. Take care.